In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare on WordPress website. Cloudflare helps speed up your site and adds a strong layer of security, and the easiest way to connect it on WordPress.com is through the official Cloudflare plugin. We'll walk through the process right from your WordPress.com dashboard, so everything stays simple and organized. Start by signing in to your WordPress.com account and opening the site's area for the website you want to work on. From the left-hand menu, open Plugins. If you don't see plugins, your plan may not support third-party plugins, so check your plan details before proceeding. Inside Plugins, use the search bar at the top. Type Cloudflare, then run the search. Among the results, select the official Cloudflare plugin. This takes you to the Plugin Details page. Before you install, take a moment to review the tabs on this page. The description gives you a quick overview of what the plugin does and how it integrates with your site. The Installation tab outlines how the setup works on WordPress.com. The changelog shows recent updates so you know the plugin is actively maintained. And the FAQs section answers common questions and highlights best practices. Skimming these ensures you're picking the right tool and know what to expect. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will open a short guided flow tailored to this plugin. Here, you'll see options related to your domain. If you already have a domain you want to use with this site, choose the option to bring it over to WordPress.com, so everything, site, plugin, and domain, can work smoothly together. If you're exploring new domains, you can search for one in the same flow. Continue to the domain input step, enter your domain when prompted, and click Continue. Follow the on-screen prompts in this setup to align your site with the plugin's requirements. The process is designed to be straightforward, so just proceed through each screen as it appears. After the flow completes, you'll return to your dashboard with Cloudflare connected through the plugin. From there, the performance and security benefits, like faster load times and added protection, are in place behind the scenes, managed within your WordPress.com tools. As a quick check, open your site in a private or incognito window to confirm everything loads as expected. If you want more detail at any point, jump back to the plugin page and